મહારાજા ભોગમાં જમવાનું એટલે રાજા જેવી મજા. If you're a true Gujarati food lover, this one is for you. I recently visited the Maharaja Bhog in Lower Parel and it was pure heaven on a plate. They welcomed me in such an authentic traditional way, proper Maharaja style. And then came the thali, 20 plus items served with so much love from undiyo, bhindi, paneer, aloo ki sabzi, sabudana khichdi, dheeli khichdi, crispy fryams and soft khichu. Every single bite was packed with authentic Gujarati flavors. The comfort classics, dal, kadhi, masala pulao, fresh roti, rotla, paratha just kept coming till I had to say bus yaar. And the sweets, basundi and mohnthad absolutely melt in the mouth. On top of that, kesar syrup and chill masala chas made the whole experience even more royal. It's not just a food, it's an emotion. If you're in Mumbai, this is a sign to visit Maharaja Bhog at Lower Parel. Go treat yourself to this royal Gujarati feast.